Welcome to our fourth compilation of recent driving test fails. The national average pass rate for driving tests is just under 50%, so there are always plenty of failures for us to analyse. We hope you will benefit from watching and avoid making the same mistakes yourself. Before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel as we have over 200 videos to help you improve your driving. It's completely free and really helps other people find us. Thanks. In this first clip from a real driving test, the examiner directs us to turn right at the mini roundabout. Let's watch what happens. Did you spot the serious fault that caused the test to fail? Let's watch again to see what happened. As we approach the junction, look for the road markings. This driver cut across the wrong side of the painted island, and even though it didn't obstruct another vehicle, they were still given a serious fault. To avoid this fault, we must respect the road markings present. The centre of a mini roundabout is only a painted circle, but we must steer around the left side as directed by the arrows. In this second clip, signs warn that the road will be narrow ahead and oncoming traffic has priority. Let's see what the driver does. What fault would you give them? Here is the replay. We have an obstruction in our lane and should give way to any oncoming traffic. The silver car in front has time to go, but we don't and should stop. Because our driver kept going and forced the oncoming red car to stop instead, this was a serious fault on that driving test. Don't just follow the car in front, look for yourself to ensure it is safe to continue. This time we are turning right at a large roundabout. The road markings are poor, but we can just spot there are 3 lanes here. Watch how the driver steers around the roundabout and what happens with the car behind them. The driver was given a serious fault for poor lane discipline, as they blocked the car behind and caused them to brake. We must steer carefully to stay in our lane, use our mirrors to watch other vehicles near us and give them space if needed. Every driving test includes stopping at the side of the road, and that is what the examiner asks this driver to do in this quiet residential area. What mistake do they make here? Why do you think the van has to wait until we move away? The driver was given a serious fault for stopping too close to the parked car on the right, which blocked the road. The van didn't have room to continue and had to wait for us to pull away again. We must choose a suitable space to stop that won't get in anyone's way, so avoid parked cars, bus stops, driveways and nearby junctions. In this last clip, the examiner explained that we will be doing the emergency stop routine soon. The driver accelerates up to speed and waits for the examiner to give the signal. What did they do wrong to fail their test? If we watch the replay carefully, we can see that the driver's reaction was far too slow. The examiner even said to stop a second time, and the driver took almost 2 seconds in total before starting to brake. The stopping distances shown in the highway code are calculated with the expectation that a driver can react in less than 1 second, so we should demonstrate we can brake that quickly on our driving test if needed. So, to increase our chances of passing, we should steer around the centre of a mini roundabout, give way to oncoming traffic if needed, stay in your lane on large roundabouts, pull over at a safe place, and react quickly to an emergency stop. If you found this video interesting, then please visit our channel, as there are over 200 more tutorial videos to help you improve your driving. If you would like to help us make new videos, then please consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching.